what I'm showing today is the all-join technology. It allows developers to easily communicate locally over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So it's solving the problem that our phones right now have wireless technology. They have Wi-Fi, they have Bluetooth. As an app developer, how do I write an application to communicate? How do I handle security? How do I handle this transient environment where devices are coming and going in a system? And all-join's the SDK that developers can download at no charge from alljoin.org and be able to communicate between devices so they can really focus on the user interaction and create new innovative ideas. So most people think of peer-to-peer, they think of gaming. So we've got some gaming samples that I can show you here and talk through. So if we look over here, we have the Namco Pac-Man Rally game. What this is an application that was created first for single-player interaction. They didn't build out a multiplayer experience because that's a cloud-based solution, what they were thinking about. They use the all-join technology to communicate directly between devices. So when I fire a power-up, you see that happen instantly on your device. If I turn and move in front of you, you see that happen. So it solves the issue that here and now we're communicating directly through our wireless radios. So they were able to take the all-join SDK and incorporate it in about 10 days time. They were able to create this multiplayer experience, and then they've refined it as the technology's evolved. We also have another application that we call Jam Join. It's an application that we've created internally that's a demo app that showcases how you can use all-join to create a new type of music experience. So your music lives on your device and it plays through an intermediate in order to hear and have this social playlist. So it's a powerful demo, and if you follow me this way, I can show it to you. So what we've got here is an idea that we've created in 5 days' time. It's Jam Join. This device is plugged into this sound system. So you can imagine I'm in my car driving. Then we have passengers in the back seat and they want to play their music. So what they're going to see on their device is the car. I'm going to join into the room and I see the playlist. I can select songs. It'll change on the system. So I've got this trip room. I'm going to join it. I'm going to add the music from my device to be able to play through the intermediate. So I'm going to select some songs. They've added in and I can select and play. So now it's playing out through this speaker system. And the great thing is, if I control the volume, it's a remote control and you'll be able to see it changing on this device. And the best thing is that because all-join handles the ability for devices to come and go in a system, when I leave, my music is playing from my device through the system. My music goes with me. So this is entirely a demo app that we've developed to showcase that peer-to-peer is more than gaming. It's creating a new environment, a way to make our lives better and create some new technology. There's one other demo here that we call Whiteboard, which is another demo app that we've developed internally. So I'm going to launch this application. And on the two devices, we'll be able to communicate. As I draw, you see it drawing on the other device. So we have some Wi-Fi interference here, so you can see there's a little latency because of the congestion, but it's very fast and reliable. So you can see this being used in a classroom, some type of environment where if I draw 4 plus 1 equals 5, then we'll be able to show that. So in the classroom, teachers could annotate, they could draw some information, and you could see that across all the devices. So developers can go to alljoin.org, they can download the SDK, it's no cost download, and the entire project is actually open sourced under an Apache 2.0 license. We support Android, Eclair or newer, Windows desktop, and Linux desktop. iOS and Windows Phone are in the support roadmap, and if you have a need for an operating system, because it's an open source project, you can download the source and port it to that solution.